I'm Aubrey, and since moving onto the ocean over 10 years ago with my tiny pink boat, I've been dreaming of a big, beautiful pirate ship. And finally, I did it.
All right, we've installed the starter.
My big kids are almost grown now, and we've seen the beauty of nature and the power of the wind and the magnificence of the sea. Now I have a beautiful new baby on board, and we are about to embark on a brand new adventure from this beautiful pirate ship. We are headed to the Panama Canal. Join us for an adventure of a lifetime.
It feels like it's been forever!
I bet you're wondering right now why we're on this Greek side quest. It's multi-layered. When Bobby and I began planning our YouTube collab, we discovered we're equally yoked, as they say, and as conversations ensued, we wondered if we wouldn't make a good match long-term. But one never knows if what's on paper translates into real life, until it is just that, real life.
We are on our way to the next island. What island is it, Bobby?
We're going to Aegina.
Aegina. We're off that last med mooring and on to the next one, so lots of practice, which is cool. The girls and I have been talking about that last catamaran that we looked at. Did we get a little film of that? Forever. I mean, you guys remember Mahalo and that fun trip with the girls. But other than that, it's been monohulls, and I just forgot how easy a catamaran is. This is a really cool way to do things. So, yes, onward and upward.
This is Aegina, a cool little town, lots of shopping, restaurants, and old churches and vendors and stuff like that. So we're gonna walk around town, grab some food, let the girls do some shopping, and see where the night takes us.
Greece is all that I imagined tiny seaside villages to be, quaint, charming, and full of vibrant culture.
My ladies out there, the linen here is so inexpensive. I know most of you guys are guys, but the shopping here is really nice. Nice linen pants and shirts, and all from Italy, and really inexpensive. Well, not inexpensive, but affordable. Jojo, do we need more produce? Oh, fish! Fish market.
No more produce, we got tons.
Oh, wow. Yummy.
You guys getting in the water or what?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna need you to sing Eye of the Tiger, though.
The water is not nearly that cold. I don't know, actually, I'm getting it, but it feels nice. Let's do it.
We head to a calm beach, The water is bathtub temperature. We splash around and wait for what is sure to be a beautiful sunset.
We've made it to the beach. It's kind of perfect. It's a little cold. It's not that cold. It's a little cold. Violet's having a ball. Oh, the stoke is high! Yay! Woo-wee! Then she laughs. Woo! Yeah!
What are we doing?
Bobby had a coffee without me.
Yeah. Well, I need it. You're already adjusted to time. You've been out here a couple weeks.
That's true. That's true.
I'm still jet lagged.
That is true.
As long as I get a nap during the day, I'm fine. I got one. So.
Is that a Kegel? What's happening?
Yeah, there's a lot of different exercises happening. Got it in my abs, my lower back.
So your cleavage is popping, so.
Oh.
Bye, friend. Oh, mwah, mwah.
Yama. Wait. What is it?
It's water.
Ooh, fancy glass.
We got a biter. We got a biter on our hands.
She's doing really good, but she is like definitely sampling like this. She's like toying with the idea of it, but she is being very sweet. Good job. Oh, look at this. Your throne has
the
arrived.
baby seat. She lasts in the baby seat for like 4 minutes.
We're calling it a throne. We're rebranding.
It's a throne. Think he'll give me his autograph? What is he filming? I want to film what he's filming. Wee!
This video is brought to you by Airlo. Being out at sea means our friends and patrons are scattered all over the world, but staying connected is so much easier now thanks to Airlo.
Happy birthday, Sissy. You're 1 year old today. I love you so much. And I can't wait until we're all sailing together. And guess what? I got my driver's license.
Happy birthday, sis. I love you. I can't wait to see you. I miss you a lot and love you lots.
Airlo is the world's first eSIM store trusted by over 20 million travelers. Instead of paying crazy roaming fees or hunting for SIM cards at the airport, I just download the eSIM right from the Airlo app. It works in more than 200 countries and it's totally digital. No plastic SIM cards, no waste.
Happy birthday, Violet.
It takes just a few minutes to set up, and the second we land anywhere, we're instantly connected. That means I can share our adventures and keep FaceTiming with you. If you want to give it a try and download the free Airlo app today and use my code LONESTAR3 to get $3 off your first eSIM.
We are going to head out and get coffee and figure out what the float plan is today. Bobby is sleeping down below, and he wants to get off the dock about 10, and we're going to the next island. Does anyone remember what it's called? My Greek is terrible.
Yeah, we're going to a place that has a place called Jamaica Club.
We're going to Jamaica. Ronagina? Ronagina.
No.
Taylor for the win.
We are on Agina.
We're on Ronagina.
No, there's no R in it.
There's no R in it. We don't know. It's beautiful. Let's go get coffee. Okay, so we're creatures of habit. This is where we had lunch yesterday. Yeah, you want to know if they have any watermelon on the menu? Yes, Bobby White, up, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. And we are going to slip the lines and head to the next location, which is?
Geese Street.
A geese tree. I'm excited.
6 miles that you can see right there.
Okay, six nautical miles.
That's it.
There. We could probably fire this cannon.
We haul up the anchor for a quick sail to the next island. Bobby's at the helm, so I get to relax and play passenger until the next island.
I love this thing. The thing I like about yours more is that it's more discreet.
Yeah.
We're talking camera, we're talking shop.
Yeah.
I'm on the G7X and Bobby's on the DJI Pocket, which he can like sneak around and...
It's a little more discreet.
Exactly.
Well, it's better. I used to carry my A7, Sony A7 with the big, shotgun mic on it. And that was, not discreet at all.
Right.
I mean, the image quality is,
superb. Yes. People are like, who are you? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I like the discreetness better.
Yes, very true. My lens is dirty. I have a baby. We are on our way. We have a heading and I can taste land already. I don't know if it's because it's so close behind us or so close in front of us. Sailing the Med has been really, really fun so far. Easy wins. Champagne sailing, all the things. We saw this sexiest classic boat last night, gaff rigged. So stunning. Makes me miss Houdini. We're gonna get back to her soon though. She is patiently waiting for us in Puerto Vallarta, getting a lick of new varnish from the guys, and I'm really thrilled to see how she's coming along. But for today, let's enjoy this moment. Hey girl. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. Mama. Hi, my pretty baby. Mama. What does the bird say? Caca. Caca. What does the JoJo say? No. No.
Bobby's got the biggest selfie stick there ever was. Apparently that's not even his big one.
Oh yeah, I got a much bigger one. It's about 3 times as long as this.
Oh, so he says.
Yeah.
Each island is more beautiful than the last. I'm starting to see how Bobby does things and considering what it would be like to do the same.
I don't know how well that screen's coming across there, but we got 17 to 19 knots of wind, steady at about 16, 17, gusting up to 20. We're doing 5.5 to 6 knots though, on just the Genoa. And it's the nice thing about being capped. If we were in monohull, we'd be heeled over about 15 degrees right now, and we're even keel.
So as you can see behind us, there's a ton of boats in here, and we're doing the med mooring, which is helping everybody kind of sit in. We go stern to and then drop the anchor. So we see some people leaving, but no one's making a move. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Drop the hook right here and just live here. I want to live here. As I like to say, the best place to anchor is always in the channel. That's how you win friends and influence people. Yeah. Time Bobby almost died.
I mean, I think it's gone. We are going to the beach already.
Okay.
I guess we gotta go this way. All right. Let's go.
That's a great idea. Good job, guys. Yep. Look at that. Hey!
Yeah.
Big ones.
Yeah.
And little fishies. Can you grab my thumbs? Grab my thumbs. Grab my thumbs. That's so fast.
I can't tell if she's happy or angry. I don't know.
That's like got freedom brows.
Yeah. I'm assuming those are squeals of delight, I guess. I don't know.
5 o'clock. Okay, we've walked up a hill. I didn't film it because I'm not proud how hard it was. We're searching for coffee. We found this super cute grocery store that is right behind you. And funny enough, they have a bag of coffee just hanging from the door, from a locked door. We feel like it's a sign. Should we take the coffee and put a €5 in there? €10? I don't know. There is the clothes shop and there is a bag of coffee tied to the door. It just feels serendipitous.
I kind of want it, but then also, what if somebody else
Needs
is
it.
leaving and they need it more and we'll be here later?
I want to know who needs coffee more than me. Anyone? Oh, okay. Let's go get a knife or something. It's so cute, though. Ooh, look at that ocean.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you can't wait until next week, I have a daily show. You can check the link below. This is behind the scenes, uncut, and very different from YouTube. This is my life, 365 days a year.
Good morning, world! We are doing rigging things. Good morning, world. It's coffee time. Good morning, world. Good morning, world. It's another day. Good morning, world. Today, I'm going to do nothing. I'm ready. So much cheaper than a parrot. Ow! Thinking that I would spend my 40s surfing in Hawaii.
What?
All wet.
All wet. All wet. All wet.
I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be doing now. I'm gonna stand here. I don't know what to do with my hands. I'm ready. Okay, you guys. My mom said I could. My favorite fans are the ones that blow hot air up my ass. Well, 2 dozen oysters and now 3 glasses of wine, and maybe I am feeling a little frisky.